Here's a feel-good video for the weekend. A truck driver in Ohio was doing his pre-trip and he found a kitten in between two of the wheels, a set of duals. Found the kitten stuck in there, and obviously you got to rescue the kitten. But wait till you see the drastic measures they went through to save this kitten. So it seems like lately, you know, I've been reporting news, I've been working on a history video. You know, I like to do all things trucking, but it seems like it's been so much doom and gloom lately. Shootings, a truck driver shooting at another truck, a truck driver that actually got shot, somebody going to, or getting charged with murder after a bad accident. And I got to tell you, really get down on things after a while, and it makes you, you know, question humanity or what the world's coming to. And maybe this story will help you with it, because it sure did me. I saw it last night and I loved it. Fortunately, I was delivering in Long Island today and then coming back and reloading. I was too busy to make a video, but now I'm home. You know, home. It's beer 30. It's actually after midnight now, but I figured I'll have a couple beers before bed and show you guys this awesome video. So this cat got stuck in between a set of tires, and a driver noticed it on his pre-trip on the Ohio Turnpike. For those of you that aren't truck drivers or don't know this, you can clearly see that he was pulling multiple trailers. This was actually on a dolly that this was on, and he was in Portage County, which is southeast of Cleveland and a little bit northeast of Akron. So that section right there. And as you know, Ohio Turnpike is one of the roads. It's the only road in Ohio that allows you to run triple trailers. So they have drop lots there, and I imagine that's where this all happened. But it's just awesome. You know, the guy was doing his pre-trip and he saw a kitten, and just everything that everybody went through to, you know, to make this happen is pretty incredible. So here, I will show this to you. This is a video from NBC 24 News out of Toledo.
If you lift it and it doesn't work, will you be willing to loosen the wheel?
Yeah, we'll do what we can.
Okay.
Its paw's stuck.
Oh, it is?
Yeah. It's holding on with its claws.
It's going to ride that hub
For a
on
little
the way
bit.
out, and then I'm going to lean it against this way. So you guys got to be ready to go in there and catch it.
Okay.
Everybody got gloves on?
Yep.
Yeah. Man, he really don't want to come out of there. Come on. Come on. All you got to do is come out.
Yeah, you're good.
Are we going to take the whole wheel off now? Okay.
I got the wheel.
Yep.
He ain't running.
There we go. There you go. Hold that.
So it was probably she just tried to find a place to hide, and thankfully you found her before you drove on.
Yeah, that's the crazy part.
Yeah.
I actually do my pre-trip. Proof.
Yes. Very good.
Well, there you guys have it. You know, I'm not really a cat video guy. I grew up with cats. I can't have cats now. My wife is allergic to cats, but I would have had trouble not bringing that cute little guy home. And my wife would have had trouble with it too, because she loves cats. Just she's allergic. And but wow, what a feel-good video. You know, I've been really down on the trucking industry lately. Not as a whole. I mean, I have good subscribers and, you know, people that watch the channel, but it just seems like so much bad stuff was happening. You know what? There's no info out there as to, or at least not that I could find, as to who that Walgreens driver was, who the police officer was, although it was his body cam that was recording all that. The tow truck driver involved. If you are one of those people involved and you happen to see this, send me an email. Any of you guys can send me an email, but if you're one of those people in the video, send me an email. My email is finchresources@gmail.com, and I will send you some cool stuff. I have a long line of the bull snot products. They're cleaning products, wide array, and I will send you some free stuff just as a thank you, not only for what you did, but also just for raising spirits, you know, making me feel a little bit better about just, I don't know, humanity. It just seems like it's been bad lately, and that really lifted my spirit. So, hey guys, I already gave you my email. Like, comment, subscribe if you're not already a subscriber. I do all things trucking. I'm working on a real great video right now of maybe the most corrupt company ever. But yeah, guys, comment. I read all the comments, and it takes me a little while sometimes to answer, sometimes I answer right away, but I do read all the comments. And just, yeah, you can also find me on Facebook or Instagram. I do more on Facebook. I do a lot on Facebook. So, hey, thanks guys, and I'll catch you on the next one.